Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be talking about a popular tool that I absolutely love using, and that is Canva. I have been using Canva and I'm a great advocate for Canva for the last couple of years now. So I'm just going to run through my 5 top uses for the tool. And in at number 1, we have For My CV. You may have seen this video previously in the past, which I will timestamp up there. However, I produced a professional looking CV which differs from the mundane black and white CVs that many people have through Canva. There are 3 templates, which means I could simply populate the different pieces of my experience, my hobbies, my skill set into the template. I had a professional looking CV which was setting myself apart from the rest within just 2 hours. And I've got some previous experience from the role that I used that for. I got some fantastic feedback from the quality of my CV, and I genuinely believe it helped me to stand out within the recruitment process. In at number 2, we have photo editing. Now, I use Lightroom for a lot of photo editing. However, there are times when I simply just want a simple edit. I want to be able to simply add text, and Canva is absolutely perfect for doing that. You have very limited options. You have some filters that you can apply, but you also have some very easy to use graphic text and tools and text tools that you can apply to your images. Through the simple and easy way to use the Canva tool, and then being able to upload it straight into our social platforms, is one of the core reasons why I continue to use Canva for photo editing. In at number 3, we have video editing and animations. As part of this YouTube channel, I have a lot of animations flying around the screen, like this one, and this one. And they're extremely easy to do on Canva. So if you are a video editor, you do want to apply filters onto your videos, you want to do simple animations, you want to add, which I will come on to later, lovely graphics into your videos, then trust me, Canva makes it super simple without having to learn a professional video editing tool such as Final Cut Pro or Adobe Premiere. In at number 4, I have my professional work. You can create fantastic looking PDF documents like this one that I have on my Etsy store right now. You can create fantastic presentations. There's a fantastic new feature on it called, I believe it's called eDocs, where the purpose of it is to create fantastic looking e-documents. I genuinely believe Canva is far easier to use than Microsoft Word. You can get far better visuals than also in Microsoft Word. It features the amount of different resources that you can put in, the smart diagrams, mind maps, graphs, tables, just looks fantastic. And I can assure you it will make your document look extremely professional. And then last but not least, but in at number 5, is graphic design. Now I'm going to be honest with you here, I am not a graphic designer. I am not very good at graphic design. But what Canva enables me to do as a beginner is make something that looks semi-good. It gives a set quality to my social platforms such as YouTube and Instagram. I genuinely believe Canva is a one-stop shop for beginners in anything from photo editing, video editing, graphic design, document creation. It enables you to make documents that I believe would take you far longer to learn how to do within the more original and native tools. That is 100% why I continue to use Canva and have done for the last couple of years. But that's just come in short, sweet end to this video. There's a lot of people who are in the professional fields and would benefit from the use of Canva. So please do make sure you check it out down below. I've got a link to Canva down in the description. And let's just see how much A-game your professional work excels versus what you currently produce now. Hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye.